After your first night, you begin to explore the country. The old buildings and church ruins point to a rich history of a resilient country that has battled invaders time and time again. The tour guides explain how Costa Rica has become a melting pot of culture, from the native people mixing with Spaniard conquistadors, enslaved Africans, refugees, and now retired foreigners. But the most prevalent cultural mix is the tourists. Almost everyone spoke English and had a menu option to keep you inside of your comfort zone. But tourism is the #1 income of the country. It is vital to their success. They must cater to them, but they must not allow the big companies to overtake them. I met a group of people proud of what their country has to offer. A beautiful young woman named Lourdes dreamed of a job that could support her. With assistance from the Costa Rican government, she was able to afford the 2-year schooling to become a tour guide. I saw in her a passion for education and a drive for environmental change. We toured a school called Earth University, which focused on enabling students to create innovative solutions to environmental problems in the form of business models that would support them and the communities from which they came. Here we met Freddie, a tour guide for the school that wanted a tourist to leave his country with an appreciation for the delicate balance between their home and the rest of the globe. Then we met Donna Hamida, a woman you wished was your grandmother. She spoke no English, but listened to us with a light in her eyes and a laugh that could change the world. She spoke about how she provided after-school jobs for the children in her town so that they could afford the books and clothes they needed for school. She hoped that every one of them could afford to do the same as Lourdes, follow a passion, and take back their country. She helped us prepare a meal grown from her farm, and in that moment I saw what Costa Rican tourism was all about. To fall in love with the people, to leave with an appreciation for the environment, and to understand that we are all connected.